Hi guys, what we're looking at here is a very old IKEA lamp stand. It's got one, two, three, maybe four lights in it, and a sort of what I thought was a cottony cover. At the bottom, over the years, it's broken away from the metal frame, and I was just trying to use super glue, as I always do, to stick it back together, but it doesn't seem to set like I expected it to. Super glue usually goes off really quick on something like paper. So what I think I'll do is I'll actually cut it all the way around and just fold it over 1/2 inch and use a different type of glue on the inside, because that's all it is. It just wraps around the end there and then holds itself in. It wouldn't normally be on a table like this. This is just so I can turn it around and work on it. It's a floor standing one with a on-off switch. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut it all the way around, fold it over about 1/2 inch and re-glue it. Underneath, if we focus, this clamp moves up and down, and these bits just pop out. So I should be able to just fold it over 1/2 inch all the way round and create a new seam. Right, I've cut it clear of the frame. I've pushed the frame up inside by about 1/2 inch. I've got it clamped in place at the moment to stop it sliding down again, because those metal rods just drop out the bottom when there's no tension on it. So that's what that's for, just a bit of cardboard holding it in place. Now I'll put some glue around the rim. Going to try this. PVA wood glue. Suitable for wood, cork, paper, textiles and more. I've taken it back off again because I'm going to put glue all the way around the outside of that metal rim and then pull it down over. But you can see what we've got there. We've got this plastic clamp, and then I've got my clamp underneath, making sure it doesn't move and those metal rods don't drop out the bottom. Right, lots of pegs around there just to hold it in place while it dries. So we'll just leave it and see if I'm successful. Right, well, it says dries in 10 minutes. I've left it for a few hours, I think, now. So we should be able to take these pegs off, and it should be dry underneath. Feels dry. Might still be damp where it was squeezed if the air hasn't been able to get to it. At the moment, that's looking good. I think that looks better than the way I was trying to fix it by just gluing the broken bits together. I don't know what this material is, I thought it was paper, but I don't think it can be. Otherwise the super glue would have glued it better. It's probably some sort of plastic. So, there we are. I'll put it back on the floor. So there we go. Fixed. Obviously it looks a bit different on the camera than it does in real life. But yeah, job done. Doesn't look tatty anymore. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.